Jsiallye short, square, fake press-on nails kit. Let's open it up. It is reusable. They are lightweight. There are acrylic press-on nails. They're easy to fit, they're non-fading, and they are durable. It comes with a small nail glue. Nail glue is good for 1 month once opened. It also comes with adhesive tabs if you choose not to use the nail glue. And it comes with a nail file. And it also comes in a 6-pack, 12 sizes, 144 pieces. They are already designed. Some is painted, some's got designs on them, and a lot of them is white tipped, which we call French tip. It's easy to use. Trim and clean your natural nails first. Choose the right side. Apply the nail tape tab. And I use these instead of the permanent glue because my hands is in water all the time. And I just wanted to demonstrate these. And these tabs, which is the adhesive, and press on the nails and then peel off the other side. There's a little tab at the bottom that helps you peel it off. These will stay temporarily, not as long as the glue stays. Put it like in the middle of your nail. Approximately a day if you're not doing dishes and hard handwork. To remove, soak the nails in water for about a minute and remove them easy because they are reusable. Nail glue is good for 1 month. If you want more information about the nails, look in my description below this video. Like that subscribe button.